Hi guys, how are you all doing this morning? Well, just barely this afternoon. How are you all doing? I'm up here at the Harbor Freight. I'm gonna say this with as much grace as I can muster. The plan was to get up this morning. Got a few things, still have a few things to do. We're just running a little bit behind. But the plan was to get up this morning and go and do, and then we were spending today. Anthony's off work today. This is his paid holiday. So we were going to go ahead and get the ceiling insulation installed. But Anthony has decided that he doesn't think he is able to do that today. He's got some knee pain, and I'm going to leave that right there. So I am going to attempt to do this. I am renting a taller ladder so that I won't be up on the very, very, very top of the ladder. I'm going to attempt it. I used to be very capable at DIY projects. And for too long, my weight and my balance now, after my stroke, have hindered me as far as projects like this. But I am truly desperate at this point. With these temperatures the way they are, and not only this, but also, winter time is rapidly approaching, and I really want to get this done. I want to get the insulation finished. I want to get the ceilings covered. So anyway, hopefully I can get you guys some video today of me attempting to do this. But I guess we'll see how it goes, I guess we'll see. If I come to you guys live later from the emergency room, then you will know that it was not a success. But I'm going to give it my best go. And I'm going to move slow. I'm going to be slow moving. But I think it's come down to this, it's come down to either I get up there and get it done, or it's just never going to happen. He's been out in the heat all week, and I know it's been rough. He's having some knee pain this morning. Could be, the beginnings of a gout flare-up. Could be he just doesn't want to get up there and do it. I don't know. And I'm not going to accuse him of anything. Because I know. At least he'll be there, though, so if I do fall off the ladder, I can get to a hospital quickly. There's the key. And of course, if I'm successful and I can't get it all done, at least, next week I can, once I get the hang of things and I don't fall off the ladder, I can just keep going. But anyway, he's in the Harbor Freight right now. So know, y'all. I really don't know. I really don't know. But I'm going to try it. I'll try my best. I'll give it the old college try. So, hopefully I can get it done. I think it's going to make a huge difference. Anthony refuses to accept that that's... I don't know how he can... His whole argument here is cold air sinks and hot air rises, which is true. But the problem is that metal roof on our house, where there's no barrier there, there's nothing to absorb any of that heat. So it's like a radiator, and it's just radiating the heat down, and the air conditioners just cannot keep up. The ceiling temperatures can reach like up to 150 degrees, according to what I've read online. And so you got 150 degrees radiating down hard right now, because like it's 91 degrees at noon. And it ain't going to do nothing but get hotter. So my idea was, let's just knock it out today, bust move, finish it. And then tomorrow morning, I wanted to get up and take us somewhere to the water. But ain't gonna happen, because I can't go another week without some relief from this terrible, terrible heat in the house. I need to be making content for you guys, and literally right now it is so hot in the house. I can't. So, anyway. That's the plan. That's what I'm trying to get done today. So, I will see you guys soon. This place is hopping and popping today. I'll see y'all soon, and we will see what I can get done. We'll see how much get up and go I still got left in me. Yeah. Anyway. Love y'all, and I'll see you soon. Happy 4th of July.